Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9. In this video I'll show you how to edit camera modes. At the beginning, enter camera. Now go to More and tap this button right here. In order to add modes to your home screen of the camera, tap and hold on Mode and swipe them right here. Now tap this button to save. To remove modes from home screen of the camera, again tap here and drag them back. Save, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.